If you have been with your partner for years but you are not legally married, here is something you need to hear. If you die without a will, they get nothing. Not the house, not the savings, not the car. Under intestate succession laws, an unmarried partner is treated as a legal stranger. The court follows a strict priority list: spouses, children, parents, siblings. If your partner is not legally married to you, they are not on that list. It does not matter how long you have been together or how much you shared. The only way to protect them is to put it in writing with a valid will or by naming them as a beneficiary on your accounts. Do not let the law make that decision for you. Think your family just splits everything equally if you die without a will. That is not how it works. Every state has intestate succession laws that decide who inherits, and the formula is strict. First in line, your spouse and biological or legally adopted children. No spouse or kids, it goes to your parents. No parents, your siblings. And it keeps going to more distant relatives. If no one is found, the state keeps everything. That means a close friend you wanted to leave something to gets nothing. A stepchild you raised for years but never adopted gets nothing. A favorite niece or nephew? Nothing. The law does not care about your relationships. It only cares about legal status. A will changes all of that. It lets you decide, not the state. If you have minor children and no will, a judge decides who raises them, not you. A judge. Without a guardian named in your will, the court steps in and makes that call based on a legal standard called the best interest of the child. They are working without any guidance from you. They do not know your values, your family dynamics, or your wishes. Someone you would never have chosen could end up raising your kids. And any money your children inherit, it gets held in a court-supervised account until they turn 18. Then they get the full amount all at once with no strings attached. If you wanted it used for college or released gradually, the court has no instructions to follow. Naming a guardian and setting up even a basic will takes a few hours. Not having one is a risk you do not want to take. Dying without a will does not mean your family just divides things up. It means your estate goes through probate court, and without a will, that process is slower, more expensive, and a lot more stressful. The court has to appoint someone to manage your estate, called an administrator. They follow a legal priority list to pick that person, not your preference. Your assets get frozen during the whole process. Your family cannot access bank accounts or sell property until the court approves it. We are talking months, sometimes well over a year, and court fees, attorney fees, and administrative costs all come out of your estate before your family sees a dollar. A simple will does not eliminate probate in most states, but it makes the process dramatically faster and cheaper, and tools like a living trust can help your family avoid probate entirely. You do not need to be wealthy to need an estate plan. Every adult needs at least 3 documents. Number 1, a last will and testament. This names who gets your assets, who raises your kids, and who manages your estate. Number 2, a durable power of attorney. This lets someone you trust handle your finances if you become incapacitated. Number 3, a healthcare directive. This tells doctors what treatment you want and names someone to make medical decisions for you if you cannot speak for yourself. Without these 3 documents, strangers, courts, and state laws fill in the blanks. The cost to get these done ranges from a couple $100s with an online service to a few thousand with an attorney. Compare that to months of court fees and family conflict without a plan. If you want to get all 3 done today from home, the link to Trust and Will is in the description below. Takes under 20 minutes and costs less than a dinner out. Get these done. It is one of the most important things you can do for the people you love.